The total enumerated population was 47,564,296, of which 23,548,056 were male, 24,014,716 were female, and 1,524 were intersex. And we see that the female accounted for 50.5%. And the population has grown to 47.6 in 2019 from 37.7 million in 2009.
These results released today now provide us with a unique opportunity to realign our development strategies, our policies and programs. And so therefore today we do direct that all ministries, departments, and government agencies to utilize these results. And I also urge other arms of government, counties, stakeholders, and also our development partners to make use of these results in their planning processes.